Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. On this episode of our Turnkey FD RX7 build, we're going to get rid of these brakes and suspension to put something much better on there. Stay tuned. As you can see, factory brakes on this car at the moment. We're going to put some upgraded rotors, better pads on it. Actually going to paint the calipers red per the customer's request. And we're going to get rid of these shocks and run a higher quality coilover setup so we can set the ride height where we want it and corner balance this thing. Time to get these suckers out of the way. For this build, we chose one of our favorite suspension manufacturers and coilovers from Fortunato. We went with the 500 series because this is going to be primarily a street car with a little bit of track use, but can't go wrong with Fortune. A little unboxing here, see what we got. Hand built. And right rear. So this is actually one we're going to start with. All right, now we got the new Fortunatos on the rear. We're gonna pull these brakes off, get these calipers ready to paint so we can put it all back together. Boom shakalaka. Hey, that's Jake the snake bite over there. We're gonna start off by unhooking this brake line. Now we're going to move on to taking off the shock, brake caliper, and the rotor, and prep these calipers up front here for paint as well. Also upgraded the brakes with the StopTech slotted rotors, StopTech pads, and the StopTech and stainless steel braided brake lines. Customer opted for this black chrome Cosmis R1 wheel with a Michelin Pilot Sport tire. Great package. Alright, so as you can see, we got the rims, tires, suspension, and brakes on this thing. Pretty much ready to roll. After we get the engine trans in, we're going to get it on the alignment rack and get this thing corner balanced. But next episode, we're going to tackle getting the engine and transmission in this car and really start making some progress. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next installment.